to use H-Log Boost and 5 most common questions people ask me. Hi, I'm Shireen. Today I'm going to share with you about how to use this awesome device called H-Log Boost and 5 most common questions people ask me. It's very easy. To turn it on, you just swipe your finger all the way up. Like this, turn it on. Once it vibrates, you see the battery level flashing and it's ready to use. You need to cleanse and tone your face before using Boost. Put 3 pumps on the device level and then spread it evenly on one side of your face. Once you're ready, turn on the machine. Just slightly swipe up again and you can hear it start continue vibrating. Using slow upward and outward motions, move the device over one side of your face. Make sure the device always in contact with your skin. You can target on any areas you are concerned about, especially dark spots like pigmentation. It's quick, so I have no problem include it into my daily skincare routine like in the morning. You shouldn't be feeling any kind of irritations or stinging sensations. All you can feel is the vibrating of the machine. You can even do the eye area, go all the way to your hairline for more lifting effect. H-Log Boost helps to promote the brightness and minimize the appearance of the pores too. So, once it's done, it will start flashing and you are done for one side of your face. Add another 3 pumps to do another side of the face, same as before. If you want to pause, just swipe down once. If the device is flashing, it means it's not enough serum. So you need to add more serum, and once you are ready, you can swipe up again and you will notice it vibrates again. After done the cycle, the remaining serum you can just pat it and leave on. Now you can just put on your normal serum, cream, moisturizer cream or sunscreen. And I'm ready to go out now. Boost is very easy to charge with a cable with wireless charging. You just need to put the magnet on the back of the machine and they will start charging. What is the common 5 questions that people ask me? First, they will ask why is the machine cannot be started, or it deactivates after a while. Is it faulty? I would say most of the time is because of the serum not enough. Since it is a smart device, it will only active when there is enough serum for the microcurrent to conduct. Solution is apply 3 fully pumped of serum for each side of your face, so it will not harm your skin otherwise. Also, do not glide too fast, do it slowly like this. Because there is 8 variable pulses in a second, so the serum can be introduced to your skin properly on the every area is applied. Also, your skin will think it is a new thing each time you use Boost because it gives your skin new experience when it changes variable pulse in a second. So, your skin will be more acceptance to the pulse and ingredients. And question is, can I use with Galvanic Spa Gel or my other serum? My simple answer is always no. Because it is designed for its variable pulse microcurrent technology, while Galvanic Spa is designed for galvanic current with positive and negative charge separately, while other serum is not designed or does not match its current. Why risk your face for it, right? And the third common question is how long it lasts per full charging for the H-Log Boost. It's about 1 month if used once daily. Fourth is, when is the right time to use H-Log Boost and what if I have makeup on? Can I use? I would suggest them to use it in the morning routine after cleansing and toning to get the most value of it. And it's a leave-on product, so for the whole day your skin will just look good. It is not recommended with makeup on. Fifth question is, how do I clean it? I would say just use the running water to remove the remaining serum on the device head because it is not fully waterproof. Do not submerge it. Wipe the device dry with a soft cloth. Do not use harsh chemical like alcohol or brush. It may cause the discoloration or damage it. Please PM me if you have any further questions, and PM me if you would like to get one for yourself. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share this video. If you haven't done so, please follow and subscribe and click the bell button so that you won't miss the next video. Bye!